I'm sure you read the statement of Mayor Magalong over the weekend. May sinasabi siya na recent developments have cast questions on the independence of the commission. I'm wondering if you have any idea kung saan galing yung hugot na yun.
Ano yung ibig niya sabihin?
Kaya nga po, sabi nga natin, he should explain his own words. I can explain what he's trying to say. And sabi nga natin, he said na he believes that he's struck a nerve. Eh, who's that? And who's that? So he should explain all his findings. Kung may findings siya, wag puro insinuation.
Para pwede nyo sagutin.
Para pwede kong sagutin. Eh, hindi ko alam yung ibig niya sabihin. May findings siya. Where are the pieces of evidence? Dapat may nakalatag na ebidensya yan bago po siya magsalita. Kasi yun naman din po ang gusto ng Pangulo. Everything should be clear. Everything should be defined. Diba? It should be defined. So, ibigay niya. Kung meron siyang ebidensya, then he can file it as a taxpayer or he can give all those pieces of evidence to the ICI.
Yes, we understand.
Meron siyang isang-
I think what really bothers some people is just a few weeks ago, parang the president was all praises for Magalong, for Mayor Magalong, and then what he could do for the ICI and for the investigation. Tapos ngayon biglang may parting of ways na hindi very friendly. So nagbago ang ihip ng hangin, nagbago yung mga
In just a few days.
Oo, in just a few days. So ano kaya nangyari doon? Saan nagkaroon ng banggaan? Saan nagkaroon ng kiskisan?
And actually, sabi po natin, nagpapasalamat pa nga ang Pangulo kay Mayor Magalong sa kanyang mga naitulong. Hindi naman po siya pinagre-resign ng Pangulo eh. Maliwanag to. Hindi siya pinagre-resign ng Pangulo. Titignan lang po kung ano yung maposible na magkakaroon ng issue if ever na yung kanya palang posisyon ay magiging contradictory sa Constitution, paano siya magpa-function as such, at baka ma-invalidate yung mga ginawa niya dahil hindi pala dapat siya nandoon. So yun lang po yung point ng Pangulo, pero hindi po siya inilalaglag ng Pangulo. Siya lang po yung nag-resign.
May isang konkretong binanggit si Mayor Magalong na sabi niya ay below the belt. Yung 110, 120 million daw sa project ng Diskaya sa tennis court. Sa inyo ba nang galing?
Hindi. Hindi.
So anong ibig sabihin niya na below the belt daw?
When you talked about yung tennis court, that wasn't a signal to him?
It did not come from me. It's from the reporter. He asked me about that.
Kaya na sinabi niya sa inyo, Binje.
Yes. Prior to that, Ma'am Ami, it was already an issue.
Nagsiging ka ba?
News. Hindi po sa akin galing eh. I was just asked about that. Kasi tinanong nila, kasi the first question being thrown to me, was how Attorney Hosaka was chosen. Diba? And
Well, he was a
sabi
former
namin,
Supreme Court spokesperson
Yes.
too. So, may connection with Justice Reyes.
Yes, ang sabi namin, hindi po ang Pangulo ang pumili sa kanya. Choice po siya ng ICI at nirekomenda sa Pangulo. Because we still want this independence na makita ng tao na hindi nakikialam ang Pangulo. And a follow-up of that, because of yun na nga nangyari kay Mayor Magalong. Pero nagiging issue na po yan. That's why I was able to ask that to the President a day before. Sabi ko, may kumakalat na pong issue, not because of the tennis court, but yung position na nagkakaroon ng parang dual role. So, kaya sabi ng Pangulo sa akin, sige, let the legal team do the study on that. So, yun lang naman. Pero bakit naman naging, insult? Hindi po ako yung nag-start ng tennis court. Hindi po sa akin nang galing yun.